Hey guys, Isaiah Gibson from Lightwolf Visuals here. So for this video and a few after, I'm going to be talking about a lot of things related to affiliate marketing or digital marketing, social media marketing, or however you decide to approach your online sales presence. Be sure to watch until the end because there will be a ton of gems in here and I don't want you to miss out on anything, or ask a question that's already been posed. If I do happen to miss something though, feel free to drop a comment and I'll do my best to answer it in a timely fashion. I do have to say, there will be links to certain programs, services, or tools below, and if you use my links, I may receive a commission. That being said, let's hop right in. So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you promote other people's products or services, and if someone buys from one of your affiliate links, you get a commission. So, how does affiliate marketing work? How do I get started? Well, first you find something you're really passionate about or good at, and then you think about what companies are involved in that niche. A lot of companies have affiliate programs because they save on final costs versus typical advertising and customers. They really love hearing firsthand from average people like you and me. So once you find that affiliate program, I highly suggest you get some training in the basics of affiliate marketing so you don't waste valuable time and money along the way. The one I went through is the 15-day challenge, which you may have heard about, but it's been hugely informative, and it's only $7, so what do you have to lose? What are the benefits of going through a training? Why not just use a bunch of free sources like here on YouTube? Well, the biggest problem with using solely free sources is the collective jumble of information, and you're often left more confused than before you even started. And many people only give you the bare basics without going over high value skills that you really need to be successful. The 15-day challenge not only addresses these, but they assign you a business advisor that will give you honest feedback and uplift you along the way. Every successful business has had prominent mentors that already made the mistakes before them and can help you limit the amount of speed bumps and stop signs you'll encounter, so why not take advantage of that wisdom? Okay, now what other tools do I need? You need the offer you're promoting and its affiliate link, a landing page that's attached to a sales funnel which attracts people's attention and gathers their email. I use GrooveFunnels, and a link to create a free account is somewhere nearby. You also need an email automation system that will follow up for you automatically to keep you engaged with your clients. I use GetResponse for my email communications. You need a domain and or subdomain for each page you create, so keep that in mind. And finally, you need a platform to promote your product to build traffic to your page. So how much time do I need to be an affiliate? Honestly, as much as you can afford, really. The beauty of this business is you're working at your own pace, learning at your own rhythm, and you work for as long as you need every week until you start seeing results. In the beginning, which I call the learning and setup phase, you could spend as much as 4 to 5 hours a day simply getting educated in the programs and tools. Once you get your systems up and running, you start creating content and push it out like crazy. The best part is some parts become automated, like the email follow-up once you set it up and test it out. So if you're still here, I hope you're enjoying the info. Like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you content like this in the future. It will help my channel grow, and that'll help you grow if you stick around. Moving right along. About how much is all of this going to cost me? Well, depending on which training you enroll in, which funnel builder you use, and which email automation system you use, you could be spending roughly $20 out of pocket all the way up to thousands. You could get some legitimate world-class training for only $7, a domain as low as $5, and sign up for a free funnel builder like I did here. Keep in mind, as your business grows, so will your recurring costs and liabilities, which leads me to my next point. What legal issues can I face? Is this all legit? Now, what most people online don't talk about is how hugely important it is to cover your bases legally. Don't make income claims like you can make $1 million using the system, known as straight cap, even if you have an income disclaimer. Disclaimers cannot and do not protect you against outright lies. Also, don't point people to links without first informing them of the business aspect where you earn a potential commission if they make a purchase. You need a privacy policy because you're collecting emails and names, and even payment info if you're pushing your own product. You need a terms of service policy that lays out what your business does, and you need a way to opt out. Some countries require a cookies disclaimer, but you should absolutely use one anyway if you run any kind of ads, a tracking software to analyze user behavior, etc. I know this is all a lot, but you absolutely don't want to be caught with your pants down and get your business shut down overnight. There are free generators online for each of these, but I would highly recommend using a legal team to draft these documents or review the ones you already have built. Okay, so why affiliate marketing versus other business models? Affiliate marketing has much lower startup costs, no inventory to manage, and you don't even need your own product to promote. Now, if you want to get into high-ticket commissions, you need to be a specialist in something and build your business model around promoting that particular service, such as physical training, therapy, cooking, public speaking, consulting. Really, any high-demand but high-value skill that requires certification can become a high-ticket business. That's not saying you can't make good money promoting other people's products. You just need to be focused and consistent. So what equipment do I need? Honestly, the only things I use are my phone, a microphone, my computer, and a few lights. You should get some kind of editing software, and there are plenty that work well for each platform or mobile device. I'm using DaVinci Resolve because again, it's free, but it's professional software with a steep learning curve. Since I have a videography and editing background, I took to the software relatively easy. Whichever one you do use, just follow the tutorials they provide and don't be afraid to ask questions. It's not just about the tools, it's about how you use them. And while you're at it, get a teleprompter out for your phone if that's your primary recording device. That's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope this answered most of your questions about affiliate marketing and how to get started. And if you haven't yet, be sure to like and subscribe for more gems like this one. Don't be intimidated by the competition out there. Just find your niche, be yourself, and be consistent. People either rock with you or they don't. Learn as you go and adapt, but never waver. The links to everything I discussed are below in the description, so be sure to check them out when you get a chance. I'm Isaiah from Lightwolf Visuals, signing out.